Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty and Colorful Tales. I'm Milandi, a qualified somatologist, and on this platform I share anything beauty, skincare or nail care related. So if you haven't yet, feel free to click on the like as well as subscribe button and on the bell to get notified of when new content is being released. If you've got any questions or anything that you want to know regarding skincare, just leave them in the comments below for me. Today we're going to be talking about a skin condition which is really common actually, and I think a lot of us really do suffer with this one. And we tend to forget on what the usual or the general causes of them are and what we can do to help them treat it. And that is dehydrated skin. Now, dehydrated skin can cause your skin to look dull. It can increase the appearance of fine lines. It can, even in severe cases, cause flakiness of the skin. But I will be sharing with you guys how you can treat it as well as prevent it from happening. Now, once again, just a reminder that dry skin and dehydrated skin is not the same thing. I have done a video regarding dry skin, which is the previous video. So you guys can go and have a look on that one, exactly what dry skin is and how to treat that. But today we will be talking about dehydrated skin. Now remember, dehydrated skin is a skin that lacks water, okay? And dry skin is a skin that lacks natural oils. But let's have a look and see what is the actual causes of dehydrated skin. The first factor that plays a big role, and we sometimes tend to overlook it, is the environment. Now, when you are exposed to harsh weather conditions, low humidity, extreme heating systems, or air conditionings like your ACs, these things tend to strip the skin of the water that is in it, and that tends to lead to dehydrated skin. Secondly is looking at your skincare products. Now, if you do use the incorrect skincare products, which is harsh chemicals, or if it does contain alcohol, certain alcohol types, I will look a little bit more in depth of the different alcohol types that is available in products, because a lot of products do contain alcohol, but there's a certain alcohol that actually does strip the skin of its natural water. If you're using products that is not right for your skin type, so if you're using something that is for very oily type of skins, but your skin is not really that oily, that also tends to strip the skin of its natural water, because what it does is it disturbs or disrupts your natural barrier, your skin barrier, and that tends to lead to a water loss from the skin. Then we also have to look at our diet or our eating plan as well as hydration. Now, you want to have a eating plan that has got a lot of essential nutrients, as well as drink enough water, clear plain water, to help with the hydration of the body, because what you put into your body is what is going to be showing externally on your skin. And remember, your skin is your largest organ of our bodies, and if we do not have enough nutrients or if we don't drink enough water, it will show, it will reflect on our skins as well. There is quite a few different treatment options available for treating your dehydrated skin, and most of them is not topically product application. It is actually something that you can do to help with, dehydration from internal, or whether it is just your external environment that you can look at just to tweak a couple of changes. So the first thing that we would need for hydrating our skin is drinking enough water. Now, like I said previously, our skin is the largest organ, and unfortunately, it is the last organ that gets any nutrients or water that we take in internally. So you want to make sure that you have enough fluid intake, enough water intake, so that your skin can be also nice, hydrated, and plump as well. Then we want to look at the product application. Now, you want to use products which is gentle yet effective on the skin, which is not something that's going to be stripping the skin of its water, disturbing the natural your natural skin barrier. So you want to use a gentle cleanser to remove all impurities from the skin, but you don't want to use something that is going to be harsh on the skin. Your moisturizer or even serums that you would use something containing hyaluronic acid, which is a potent ingredient for dehydrated skins, as it actually attracts and holds onto water and it prevents the skin from losing the water. I will do a nice video regarding hyaluronic acid, the ingredient in products, and what the benefits are, and some, how can I say, disadvantages of using it on your skin or negative effects. And then also you want to use a sun protection every single day, because the UV rays can actually exacerbate the dehydration effect on the skin. So you want to protect your skin from that, and you want to just protect your skin from aging as well. You want to also use a humidifier in the area that you're in, whether it's in your house, whether it's in your office, if you can, because what happens is using a humidifier, it actually puts in more moisture in the air, especially when you are using like ACs or heaters or something like that, because they do actually burn out the water that's in the air. So with a with a humidifier, what it does is it puts extra moisture back into the air, which is actually benefiting for your skin. Then you also want to follow a healthy, balanced eating plan containing a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, which is high in vitamins as well as antioxidants to promote skin health. In conclusion, dehydrated skin is a very common skin condition, or some people call it a problem. And it's got a lot of different causes, but it is treatable. Just by having a look and seeing exactly what causes your dehydration and working with it to work against it so that you can actually end up having a rejuvenated, healthy, glowing skin again. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful and it will help you on your journey to a healthy, well-hydrated, rejuvenated skin. If there's anything else that you would like to know regarding skincare, beauty, nail care, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.